Hello everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 977, squares of a sorted array. What the given question? Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, written an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, what they given? They given an array nums. Okay, in non-descending order they given. We need to make square. Afterwards, we need to make the sorted in ascending order. Okay. See, they given nums equals to minus 4, comma, minus 1, comma, 0, comma, 3, comma, 10. And output is coming 0, comma, 1, comma, 9, comma, 16, comma, 100. How it is coming? I will show in the whiteboard. See, what they given input? They given minus 4, comma, minus 1, comma, 0, comma, 3, comma, 10. What I am doing, I will take one for loop. I will start to iterate the for loop from first element to the last element. Okay. After that, in each iteration, what I will do, I will use this logic. Nums of I is equals to nums of I into nums of I. For each iteration, I will perform. After performing, after completion of my for loop, I will use by sort function. I will sort all the elements in ascending order. How it will be working? I will 4, right? Minus 4 into minus 4 means I will get 16. Nums of 1. Minus 1 into 1 means positive should 1 into 1 means it will get 1. Nums of 2. 0 into 0 means 0. Nums of 3. 3 into 3 means 9. Nums of 4. 10 into 10 means I'll get 100. My elements will be after performing iteration of for loop, it will be like 16, 1, 0, 9, 100. After performing the sort function, our elements visible like 0, 1, 9, 16, 100. So you can observe the output. Okay. Let's keeping these all things in our mind, we can enter into the coding part. Here I taken one for loop. I started iterate the for loop from first element to the last element. Okay. Here each element of the ith vector nums will be updated. In each iteration, it will be updated. Or means what I will do, I will multiply my nums of I into nums of I. I will be stored in nums of I. For each iteration, I will perform this one. After completion of for loop, I will take one sort function. I will make all nums in sorted in ascending order. Okay, finally I will return nums of vector. How it is going to work? I will dry run with second example now. I will take minus 7, minus 3, 2, 3, 11. Okay, starting my I value will be 0. Okay, here nums of I means will be starts from 0. Here nums of 0 means 7. We'll take minus 7 minus uh, into minus 7. I will get 49. Okay, and now I value will be 1. Okay, I value will be 1 means see now. Our 1 value is minus 3. Okay, it will become minus 3 into minus 3 means I will get 9. Okay, when our I value will be 2, no, I will say now my I value will be 2. 2 means we will do 2 into 2. I will get 4. Okay, my now when I value will be 3, no, 3 means what? 3 I will get 3. 3 into 3 I will get 9. When I value will be 4, now I will get 11 into 11 I will do 121. The elements are 49, 9, 9, 4, 9, 121. By I will use sort function of nums dot begin comma nums dot end. By using sort function, our elements is about 4, 9, comma 9, 49, comma 121. You can see the output. Okay, this is the logic of this code. In this logic, the time complexity is taking big of n log n. Okay, where space complexity is taking big of 1. Where n is the size of the input vector, and we are using the sorting function. We are sorting the vector nums, so it is takes time big of n log n. When we come to the space complexity is taking big of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. It takes only constant amount of space. So to reduce the time complexity, there is another logic. Now I will show. In this logic, what I am doing, I am taking two pointers. One is left pointer and other is right pointer. Left will be initialized with 0 and right will be initialized with n minus 1, means last index. Okay, I will take the one condition if nums of left is greater than nums of right. If it is there, means what I will do, I will multiply my nums of left into nums of left. Okay, I will be stored in result value. Okay, result of that index value. Okay, afterwards I will increment my left. If this condition is there, means if suppose left nums of left is less than nums of right, means I will multiply my right. I will store in result. I will decrement my right minus minus. Okay, how it is going to work, we can discuss now. What is the first example? -4, -1, 0, 3, 10. Okay. Uh, See what I will be doing. I will take this as 0. This is n minus 1, means this will pointing to the left and this will pointing to the right. Okay. See how much index are there, we can count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I will check the condition now. My left, what is that? -4. Okay. Minus 4 minus 4 is greater than 10. This condition is what is there? I will take absolute values, means like positive values. I'll check 4 is greater than 10, greater than or equals to 10. This condition is false. What I will do, I will multiply my right value. I'll be stored in that index. Okay, 10 into 10, 100 means it will be stored in fourth index. Okay, now I will decrement my right. My right will be here now. I will check 4 is greater than 3. See, 4 is greater than 3. This condition is the true. I will multiply my left. 4 into 4, 16. I will be stored in third index. Now I will increment by 1. My left will be here now. I will check 1 is greater than 3. This condition is false. Just what I will do, then I will multiply my right. 3 into 3 means what? 9. I will be stored in second index. I will decrement by 1. My right will be now here. Okay. Now I will check 1 is greater than 0. This condition is true. I will multiply my left. 1 into 1 means 1 only. I will be stored in first index. I will just increment my left here. Both are pointing to the same, and 0 will be here. Afterwards, I will increment by 1. Now this condition will become false. We will come to know that all elements are sorted in ascending order. Then we will return this answer. By keeping these all things in mind, we can enter into the coding. In this logic, what I done, I created a variable n. And initialized with the size of the input vector. Okay. After that, I taken two pointers. One is left pointer and other is right pointer. Left is pointing to 0 and right is pointing to the last element. Okay. After that, we created a one vector of result size of n, initialized all with 0 starting. Okay. Afterwards, I take on for loop. It will starts from last element to the first element. It will iterate from n minus 1 to the 0. In each iteration of the loop, I will compress the absolute value of the element at the left position and the right position. Okay. If the absolute value of left element at the left position is greater than right position, then I will increment my left. If it is not, means I will decrement my right. Finally, I will return result. Okay. We can go with second example to proper understanding. Second example is what they given. They given -7, -3, 2, 3, 11. Okay. With index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Uh, See, first time our I value will be from fourth index. My left will be pointing to 0 and my right value will be pointing to 4, means last n minus 1. So, we can check the condition. Absolute value means we can take positive. 7 is greater than or equals to 11. This condition is false. So, our else will be work. Right means 11 into 11, 121 will become. we will be stored before that we can create. Yeah, 121 will be stored here. Okay. Now my right value will be decrement by 1. It will become 3. You see, now my 7 is greater than or equals to 3. This condition is true. Our if will be work. Left what is there? 7. 7 into 7, 49. It will be stored in third index. Okay. Mm. See, now our left will be increment by 1. Now 3 is greater than or equals to 3. This condition is true. Our if will be work. 3 into 3 means 9. It will be stored in second index. Okay. Now our left value will be increment by 1. It will become 2. We can check second index is greater than 3. This condition is false. So our right will be incremented now. Right will be become multiply. 3 into 3 means 9. We will decrement right by 1. Okay. Our right will be 2. Now left and right are both are pointing to this element. Okay. 2 into 2 means 4. It will be stored in 0th index. Afterwards, our left will be 3. This condition will become false and we will come to know that all elements are sorted. Finally, I will write this result. You can observe it. Okay. This is the logic of this code. In this logic, we can discuss now the time complexity and the space complexity. Time complexity is taking big of n and space complexity is also taking big of n. Here where n is the number of element in the input vector and we are using the for loop, we are iterating all the vector once. So, and coming to the space complexity, we are creating the vector result of size n. We are storing the square of elements in that. It consumes some memory space of big of n. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video.